Transitioning from warehouse area, we now move to copper area, then moving to tin plating. The processed components are transferred to Bay C for mechanical assembly. Operators use digital work instructions to track tasks, update progress, and reduce manual errors on the shop floor. The MES dashboard gives real-time visibility into production status. The power cell skeleton is prepared. Now moving to Bay B for the electrical assembly stage. Technicians begin the assembly of wiring and electrical components using controlled battery tools and standardized procedures. The system detects missing components and triggers an alert. Material replenished. Critical electrical components are scanned. The vision camera performs an automated quality check. Quality checks are performed.
MES dashboard connected.
Shadow board showing missing tools. Finally, the power cell moves to final assembly. After completing both mechanical and electrical stages, the parts move together toward Bay D for final integration.